What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'll be showing you how to buy the Sanshu Inu coin on Trust Wallet. Okay, so first of all, before you actually purchase the coin, the first thing you need to do is to come over to CoinMarketCap and read about the coin. So you can just go to Google and type in Sanshu coin, right? Sanshu Inu coin. Just enter CoinMarketCap. Yep. So just ignore the typo, then come over to the first result over here. Then this is where you can actually read about the coin. So as you can see over here, the coin is actually booming right now. Okay, so here's where you can actually read about the coin, see Sanshu Inu, see all the information, the rank and everything. As you can see, it's actually one of the trending coins as of the moment. So now what you need to do is to come down here to like see the markets where you can actually purchase the coin. This applies to another coin you want to purchase. Come over to CoinMarketCap, then come to this market section so as to see where you can actually purchase the coin. So in this case, we have Uniswap to be where you can purchase the coin, and you can purchase it using your Ethereum. Okay, so what you now need to do is to come over to your Trust Wallet. So in case you don't have Trust Wallet, make sure you download the Trust Wallet app and create an account. Okay, so once you've done that, you need to come over to Trust Wallet. Then you need to deposit some Ethereum. So let's say, for example, you want to purchase let's say $50 worth of Sanshu Inu coin. What you need to do is to first get $50 worth of Ethereum. Then you can now convert that into Sanshu Inu. So that's how to like purchase the coin. So what you need to do is to first go on Binance. So I have a link for you in the description below. If you use the link, you're going to get 5% off your trading fees on Binance for life. So if you use the link, okay, so once you've signed up and created a Binance account, then you can actually come over to Binance. Okay, so come over to Binance. So once you've created an account, it will prompt you to log in, and once you've logged in, you can come over to the deposit section over here to deposit some money into your Binance account. So just come to the cash section here, then enter the currency of your country. So let's say, for example, you are in the United States, just enter USD, okay, or you just enter United States to bring the okay, I'm not sure it can actually bring it. So just enter AUD or whatever your currency unit is in your country. So let's say, for example, you are in let's say Indian. I think Indian is yes, this is Indian, INR, Indian rupees. So same applies for every other country out there. So once you've entered the country, click on the what's it called, the currency. So let's say, for example, you are in, let's say, Australia. Just type AUD, then click on AUD over here. Then over here is where you can actually select your payment method and actually deposit some money into your Binance wallet. So after doing that, you can actually come over here to the market section. Okay, come to the market section, then come over here to spot. So once you're on the spot section, come to this search coin pairs, click on that what's it called, that input, then type ETH / whatever currency you spend in your country. So let's say, for example, you've deposited $50 into your account. What you need to do is now come here, enter ETH / USD, in this case T. So let's say, for example, you are in Australia, you need to type in AUD, and same applies to every other country. So once you've done that, just click on the what's it called, click on the currency over here. For in this case, I'll just be using ETH / AUD as an example. Then come to the buy, click the buy button over here, then enter the amount in UAD of Ethereum that you want to purchase. So let's say, for example, you deposited 50 AUD, I want to purchase 50 Australian dollar worth of Ethereum. Just purchase it like 50, then buy Ethereum. So this Ethereum is what you now send into your Trust Wallet. So come back to your Trust Wallet over here. Now click on Ethereum. Now copy your wallet address by clicking the copy button over here. So after clicking the copy button, you can now come back to Binance. So let's say, for example, you've purchased some Ethereum. Like I just assume you've purchased some Ethereum. You can now come over here to the home section. Now click on the more button over here, this more button. Click on the more button, then come to transfer. So in the transfer section is where you can actually send the what's it called, the Ethereum into your Trust Wallet, okay, from Binance. So here, just click on BTC, change it to Ethereum. As you can see, just type in ETH, you should see it as Ethereum. And after clicking it, enter the amount, okay, the amount of Ethereum you want to send to your Trust wallet. After entering that, it will prompt you to enter your wallet address, and then you can now send the what's it called, the Ethereum into your Trust wallet. So you have to give it maybe like 2 to 3 minutes. Sometimes it may take more than that to like arrive into your Trust wallet. So once it has arrived, you can now come over here to the browser section on your Trust wallet. Now you need to come over here to Pancake to Uniswap, because earlier, as you can see over here on the coin market cap page, we have it that you can actually purchase the coin on Uniswap. So now come back here, come back to your Trust wallet. Okay, now just scroll down. As you can see over here under the popular section, you should have Uniswap exchange. Okay, you should have Uniswap exchange. So just click on it. And there, as you can see, so your Ethereum wallet will be automatically synced with your with your Uniswap account. So over here is where you can actually see your Ethereum balance over here from your Trust wallet. So let's assume I've sent some Ethereum into my Trust wallet. Then over here it will actually reflect, and you can actually use it to like purchase Sushi Inu coin over here. Sanshu Inu coin over here. So now come back to Sanshu Inu coin page on coin market cap. Then come over to the contract address over here, this contract address. Then click on the copy button right beside it. You can see this copy button right beside it, that little copy icon. So just click on it, then come back to Trust Wallet. So over here, click on select the token. Now you need to paste in the address that we copied. So just paste it in here, then click on done. Then now click, as you can see over here, it has reflected. You can just click on import. Now you click on import over here, and that's it. So let's say for example I have 0.05 worth of Ethereum. I can actually use that to like purchase some Sanshu Inu. As you can see over here, it is worth 131 USD. So let's say for example you actually deposited 131 USD from your in your Binance wallet. So excluding the transaction fee, you should have all the remaining amounts in here. And that's why I told you to like use my link, because that way you'll be able to like get 5% off transaction fees whenever you deposit or send coin from your Binance into any other wallets. So after you've entered the the amount in Ethereum over here is where you can actually see the value in Sanshu. Okay, so but for this case I don't have enough balance, so that's why I can't actually purchase the coin. So let's assume I have 0.05 worth of Ethereum. Then over here you see the balance, it will reflect automatically the amount you receive in Sanshu Inu. So then you can now click on the buy button, and you actually purchase the Sanshu Inu coin. So, and it's as easy as that. So very simple and straightforward. So I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoy, do like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions, sorry. Yeah, so yeah, see you in the next video.